What is up guys, done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your PowerPoint presentation file as PPTX extension. So first you need to head over to your PowerPoint application and then you need to click on blank presentation to create a new blank presentation. After that, you just simply need to create your presentation according to your vision requirement, and then on the left side, when you see the file option, simply click on this file option and then click on save as. After clicking on Save As, here on the left side here, you will see the option to PowerPoint presentation.pptx. Simply click on this and then click on this again to save it as a .pptx extension. After that, just simply name the file and then just simply click on Save, and it will automatically save in the .pptx extension. When you click on Save, here you will see that the file has been saved in the .pptx extension. So this is how you can save your presentation file in .pptx extension. As you can see, this is the .pptx extension. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.